Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix if you are facing this error in Windows 11. Error code is 0x80070571 in Windows 11. So how to fix this problem or error? So firstly you need to open your file explorer, click on this PC and you see this your driver or your device. So click on this Windows icon device. You see this Windows icon. So click on this device or right click on it. Click on properties. Now click on tools and here you need to click on check. In tools you see this check option. Now scan drive, click on it. Now wait some few minutes. This is scanning. After the scanning process will be complete, so close it. After this process will be complete, so close it. And your problem will be fixed. If it does not fix, so search CMD. So search CMD and right click on it. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. Now here you need to type this command line. SFC space less scan now. So I will type C space less SCANNOW. So type this SFC space less scan now, this command line, and press enter in your keyboard. And after this process will be complete, so close it. And restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.